How to make a public profile on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. On this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now tap on Public Profile. In the Story section, you can add snaps to your public profile from your post archive or camera roll to highlight your favorite memories. You can also add snaps to the Spotlight section. And in the Insight section, you can learn more about your audience once you start posting to your public story. You can add to your public story by tapping on the Add to Public Story button. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can easily make a public profile on Snapchat.